G'day guys, 2Aussie here again. What's cracking? So guys, I'm very excited today. Two of my favourite things. I've got my beautiful girl here, Liz.
Hello.
And we're going off to have pizza. We're going to get some Dominos and Pizza Hut. We're going to get a veggie of each and we're going to test out which one we think is the best. So I have a feeling I'm going to like Domino's better. What about you?
I'm pretty sure I'm going to like Domino's better.
Yeah, but you never know, they could surprise us. Pizza Hut's not too bad. So guys, we're going to run off, grab the pizzas, and then we'll go and park somewhere in a nice park and we'll have a little review of the pizzas and let you know which one's the best. Gee, you're looking gorgeous today.
Oh, thank you, baby.
So anyway guys, see you there. So guys, we've been off to Pizza Hut and Domino's and we got our pizzas. So what did we get again?
Veggie Sensation and Veggie.
So Veggie was Domino's, yes?
Yes.
I think.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, Domino's and Veggie Sensation, Pizza Hut. Oh, look at that. So it looks like it's gift wrapped.
It does.
Looks like we got a nice present here, baby.
I hope so.
So, oh, the boxes are different size.
Yeah, one looks bigger than the other.
I'll just put that there so it doesn't blow away. This way.
Oh, that's so much nicer with the sun. It's quite cold today.
Yeah, it's a bit cool.
And it's supposed to be summer.
The weather is going to get warmer, but it's a very cool day today. That's why I got the jumper on. So, it's alright. Alright. I'm just showing you. That's all. So that's our. Sorry, you're not right. Our Veggie Sensation. Yeah, sure. Park there. And that is our
Veggie.
Veggie.
Oh, it's nice and warm.
Yes, that one was the one we picked up second. That's why it's so warm.
It's like a heater.
So guys, show you that. That's our veggies. So Elizabeth's on the veggie thing at the moment, so I thought it won't hurt me to get some veggie pizza into me too, rather than all this meat and stuff that I eat. So we're going to compare which one's the best.
The Domino's one looks more colourful.
Domino's looking like it's got more topping too.
Yeah, I think Domino's are way better.
So it's got feta cheese on it too. So this, guys, we try to get whatever would be a standard veggie pizza, but this is the standard these days. So
Freezing.
we're going to compare them and see what they're like.
I'm freezing.
I'll tell you where a jumper, but I forgot. The Domino's got less cheese, but Pizza Hut's got more.
This one's quite nice. Yeah.
This is not too bad, but everything's falling off. A bit more cheese would be good.
This is quite cheesy, this one.
I like the look of that one better. Your one.
I like the look at that one better.
Yeah? Probably because you can see more. It's alright. It just fell off and hit my leg.
Yeah, it hit my leg too.
Must have hit both of us, bounce off me and then onto you. I like the base of this, is quite nice.
I like the base too, it's nice and thick. You know, it's soft, it's not hard.
So we might end up with a draw here. Got that sun in my eyes, I can't see if the pizzas are in the picture. Yeah, they look pretty good. So I might get in, we'll put it back a little bit like that. I might get into a Pizza Hut one. Oh, that is quite a bit on there once you can see through the cheese.
Oh, it's very nice. I think we're putting people off with our hats, so I think we look silly.
We look good in our hats. That's actually to me very plain.
This one? It is.
That's got so much more flavour.
But that one, yeah, I think that one's better.
And it's not because of the cheese, it's just what's on it, I think.
All the veggies. This is just like a cheese pizza. Oh, it's not horrible.
No. And now I've got to a bit of the sauce, there's quite a bit at the back. I can really taste it more, but it's only like sauce and cheese taste. The veggies don't have much taste.
No.
This one, I think it's a combination of what's on there on this one that makes it taste better. You should try that next and see what you think. What everything.
Why do you think that one looked better?
And it does look better. I think that's a little tomato, cherry tomato sucked up.
So is that, isn't it?
Oh no, that was capsicum. That's tomato, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at the colour on that. Much
Now it's going to fall off and hit me in the leg. Even that bit of capsicum I ate then it's got more flavour.
Yeah.
Like, so flavourful.
This one's got much more flavour than the Pizza Hut.
So guys, I've got a winner here. I reckon that the Domino's one wins hands down.
Veggie Rama.
Veggie. It's a ripper.
Well, it even looks better.
Great taste. I think it's got different things on it too. This is, even though it's more of a fancy vegetarian, it's got a lot of just a standard crap on it. This one's got a lot of different things on it that you wouldn't expect.
Yeah, like the feta
Gives it taste. So your opinion? That one's the best?
Domino's.
Wouldn't eat that one again?
No.
If you could have that one, you would?
Yeah, I wouldn't get this again.
No.
That's okay, but...
Me either. Yeah, it's okay, but... And actually that one cost $1 more. So I probably wouldn't eat it again for that reason as well. Because this has got more flavour and it costs less. So what I'm going to do, is I'll just turn the video off and we'll eat the rest of it in time lapse so it doesn't drag on too much because it's starting to get a bit long this video now. So guys, I'll do a bit of a time lapse video and then we'll get back to you.
Well, that's our review of Domino's and Pizza Hut pizzas. In the end, I think I actually preferred the Pizza Hut one because I like the base better. So I did like the topping on the Domino's one. So I think finally I just want to say Merry Christmas.
Didn't notice that, but Liz saw it. It says Merry Christmas. So
pizza. This probably was a better crust.
Yeah,
just saying.
I liked it too, but I like both of the crusts. But in the pizza, I prefer the Domino's. But they both were pretty good. But this would be my choice the next time. It was good for me to eat some vegetarian food instead of some meat and crap for a change, the fatty rubbish. So guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you got to this part of the video, we got to the end, remember, you know what to do. I'm not going to tell you. It's, you know, all that stuff, like, subscribe, all that crap. But just remember guys, you can never be too Aussie, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Merry Christmas.